Welcome to Last Week in a Byte on Delta Lake for the latest Delta Lake news and events, a week late. Let's start off with the latest integration, which includes AWS Pandas SDK, also known as AWS Wrangler, which includes an optional dependency to Delta Lake to simplify integration with AWS services such as Athena, Glue, Neptune, EMR, MySQL, S3, and more. As well, there's integrations with Polars, blazing fast data frames in Rust, Python, and Node.js, which has support for reading Delta Lake tables. This is including the previous support for Data Fusion as well. It's also included in the Python Polars 0.15.3 release. Christina Taylor, who leads the next generation communications platform at Carvana, recently published the blog Open Format in Omni Cloud World from EDW Targets to Structured Streaming on Delta Lake, which showcases her team's migration from a data warehouse, in this case BigQuery, to Delta Lake using structured streaming. We had 3 great sessions at the end of 2022. Simon Whiteley and I had our monthly Ask Us Anything, where we answered your most pressing Delta Lake questions. Vinny Jaswell, Florian Valai, and Will Girton did a 2022 retrospective for the Delta Lake Community Office Hours for this year on Delta Spark, Delta Rust, and Delta Sharing, respectively. And at Linux Foundation's open source forum, in Finance Forum, Antoine Amend and Ashley Traynor discusses FinOS Legend project as part of the session Modernizing Regulatory Reporting, Get Ready for T+1 Settlement, where they include a call-out for Delta Lake to harmonize with open standard data standards. Last, but certainly not least, a shout out to Will Girton for this great graphic, showcasing all the integrations with Delta Sharing, including Java, Power BI, Terminal, MLflow, Node.js, C++, Go, Airflow, Excel, R, and my favorite, Rust. I hope you enjoyed this week's quick bite on Delta Lake. We will take time off for the new year and the winter holidays, so please enjoy your break, and we'll see you in the new year.